2 to 5 years, what's next for, what's next for the analytics market, AI market? Where are we, where are we going to be? What are some of the things that we're going to be doing and concepts we're going to be talking about?
I think we're going to continue to see a lot of the technical aspects of data engineering and data science become more automated, driven by auto ML is going to change a lot of what goes on. One could argue that that maybe a data scientist is not the right career to have, because technology advancements may make that, not a very attractive role. So I think we're going to continue to see advancements in auto ML and meta learning and active learning and all these other types of techniques that are out there that are going to make the data scientist role maybe less valuable. I think you're still, but it'll never be less valuable for setting up the problem, right? You've always got to have a really good firm understanding of identifying, codifying, operationalizing, and learning the source of the value. So, so that's, to me, is number one. I think the job of data engineer, on the other hand, I think is going to become to grow. We have data engineer. We haven't cracked the code on making that job any easier.
No,
it's still very hard. It's still manual.
We haven't stopped ETL yet.
I know, and we probably won't, because it's just there's all these. The data engineering job is hard because data is dirty and data is difficult, right? And it's so data engineering is a good career to have. It's underappreciated. It's clear, right? Data scientist is the sexiest job in the world, and the data engineer, what? Do they chop suey? I mean, come on.
And this is one thing. This is the dirty little secret they won't tell you. No, this is the secret that people are saying, and I am seeing people talk about it on Twitter and LinkedIn. The pay scale now for data engineering, and it depends on which site you're looking at. Data engineers now, their salary average on some places are tracking higher than data science.
Yeah.
So that's
yeah. We're making a lot of advancements in, these deep learning routines and reinforcement learning techniques and such. A lot of these are learning on their own. I mean, think about, what does deep learning mean to software development? I mean, we're entering an age where software 2.0 may be written by ML AI models and not by coders, because imagine trying to write a code that can distinguish between a cat and a dog. It ain't going to happen, right? And neural network, piece of cake. It figures it out and it can tell you right away, right? So there's the AL and AI and ML models are going to continue to get more and more advanced, more and more capable. The data is going to continue to get more broad, more dirty, more diverse. Right now we're all infatuated with IoT data. God, that's a mess. If there ever was a mess of a data source, it's IoT data, right? These devices were never designed to share data. And so getting data from 3 or 4 different devices from different little operating systems, God, data engineering is a good career path.
Yeah. Audience, I didn't pay him to say that. It was not in our show notes. That's awesome.